Welcome to the Kakasi FM Sports Unlocked. Igama uSamkelo the Sports Mchita. Ngihambi ngedwa namhlanje ngihamba nentatheli yezemidlalo uSnethemba Sithole. Bathi uJoe udlala kamnandi. Welcome again to Kakasi FM Snethemba.
It has become my home. Seyikhaya lami nje sengihlale ngithi qhu. Phinde ngibuye futhi ngizobheka.
Yeah, no, I start thinking to introduce about the look of things manje. Snethemba, it's a big week. Big weekend as well when it comes to the Betway Premiership title race as well as nakhona futhi na Premier League, but soqala la Betway Premiership siyazi ukuthi namhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns yabuyela back to league action. They were away playing lapha kwi-CAF. Maybe mhlawumbe asiqale nje with your reactions of ukuthi Sundowns yenze njani lapha kwi-CAF Champions League, you know, qualifying for i-CAF final kabili kulandelana, winning ngo 2-0 on aggregates bedlala napha Esperance de Tunis.
Yeah, you know, I had some of my guys ethi it was Grootman performances. It's Grootman performances ngempela kwi-CAF Champions League. They are showing ukuthi we've been in this business for some time and we've really acquired the experience enough ukuthi we can handle any who as begana na kwi-CAF Champions League. I think going away, winning that first leg semi-final against Esperance at Tunisia, that tells you a lot about ukuba strong kwabo nanokuthi nje baba sebe ukudlala i-CAF Champions League imidlalo iminyaka emingaka sekubanike isibindi yabo and the know how, you know, even away. I think they just wrapped up their game away for me. I didn't see a chance engaka for Esperance to come back, and kudos ukuthi bafike kwi-final once again futhi kule season.
Yeah, I mean ukudlala kwabo kwi-CAF Champions League meant that bayaphazamiseka kwi-domestic you know, Betway Premiership njengoba sazi ukuthi kunombango khona phakathi kwabo ne-Orlando Pirates. Qonda ukuthi manje bangemuva nga 2 games and namhlanje bayadlala a very important game for them if they want to reclaim number 1 spots lapha kuyona i-Betway Premiership. Badlala ne-Stellenbosch FC, a very tricky side under ucoach Kevin Hunt. Uyibona kanjani leyo game and kubaleka kangakanani for Sundowns to obviously win babuyele back to the top of Betway Premiership?
Yeah, you know, always abantu bahlezi bethi games in hand and not points won already, yabo. So I think people who understand that better is Sundowns, because bahlezi vele be nale situation. It's just that ngamanye ama season kusuke ingekho le team le ebapusha njengoba iPirate bapusha kule season ukuthi you go away to Africa thina sosala siwine lama games lawa nene ningaka wadlala mase siniphuca indawo yini, and they know how important it is ukuthi bawine umdlalo namhlanje, because once baqala ba drop ama points, they'll have that anxiety ahead of a game yanga Sunday, and you know how important that game is going to be also ngoba badlala away to iLokuzana Richards Bay, and it's not easy going away to Richards Bay. So going back to your question nje yakho against Stelis, I see them really getting 3 points at home. Obviously, Stelis have had lama setbacks ababa now, especially earlier in the season. Esakhona no backup before kufika uHunt. I think they are a team still under construction somewhat. They are winning mhlambe lapho nalapho and drop points nalapha, and uHunt is umuntu engeke ngithi uzofika eLoftus aye all out. I'm sure maybe he'll aim mhlambe maybe for something like a point yabo ukuthi at least asithathe any point singa lose, and yeah, but for me at the home Loftus, they're strong. I don't know bagcina nini ukulose i-league game, because I'm sure cup game here and there I think Pirates yabadla khona ekhaya, even though kwakuyi Lucas Moripi, but at home abajwayele ukuluza.
It's going to be a tough one for Stellenbosch FC, and then obviously we look forward to seeing what lo mdlalo uzohamba kanjani. But also, nge-weekend, there's a very, very big clash. I think, umdlalo wamaqhubu lo, the Soweto derby, phakathi kwe-Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. We do know ukuthi the last time out, Orlando Pirates yanenebula i-Chiefs ngesibhaxo esivuthayo ska-3-0. But we've seen i-Chiefs after that, idlala kahle. I think they've won like 5 games in a row manje, but draw no water ukugcina lo baphuma kuona. But the Pirates also now has been in a good run of form lately, scoring enqwaba yama-goals. How do you foresee that game, and also just take us through ukubaleka kwayo in the bigger scheme of things, njengoba sisho nje ukuthi i-Sundowns ne-Pirates babhizi badlala lo mdlalo lo ukubangisana ngesicoco se-Betway Premiership?
I heard Captain Wabo speaking about the fact that it's a Soweto derby, but a different one this season, because especially at this time of the season, because it's a game of consequence. Mesho jalo, like it means obviously it will have like a big impact with league race yabo ne Sundowns, because if they happen to drop points again in that game, having already had setbacks out 2 against Swelele ne Richards Bay, that will mean like a big advantage for Sundowns if they win namhlanje and then they win again on Sunday, because they'll play after Soweto derby and they'll have Leo motivation. They drop points so it's a very important match for especially Pirates. Obviously for Chiefs again, they want to consolidate that play sport, because they know ukuthi emva kwabo khona isikhukhune khona iAmaZulu, and those two teams ama-team ongeke wathathe kancane, and they surely want or are also aiming for their third spot. And then going back to derby, le yango, I think banu February mengaphosisi 3-0 scoreline. Surely Chiefs are coming benaleyo enga leyo ukuthi we don't want to disappoint again our fans, because obviously this is a game for fans, more than anything, more than title race, more than that play sport. It's a game where you don't want to disappoint our fans aphumile ukuzokusupport, and with Chiefs also having built their momentum as Gadusho 5 games in a row winner, and then Baba Nale setback. I think nakhona futhi lapho they didn't play bad. Kwaba wona nje ukuthi Polokwane City, it's not a child's play. Going away futhi Polokwane old Peter Mokaba high futhi na Lula Stadium message. So it's difficult. I see a different ball game, because obviously Chiefs kunabantu babona ukuthi baphicaphile. Obviously Umabo was an informed player already ngale ya derby yabedliwa, but you seeing abo Mduduzi manje phicaphile, you seeing abo Duba bayeza, even the defense has started to be solid somewhat. I think in past 6 games they've considered, I think, 2 goals kuphela nje, and they're scoring as well, and I think that tells you ukuthi nje kule derby it's going to be different.
Kuningi okwenzakalayo. Betway Premiership action coming this weekend. Siqala khona namhlanje, as we mentioned, the big game, Mamelodi Sundowns up against Stellenbosch FC. A big game on Sunday, Kaizer Chiefs. Sagcina nini futhi ukubona iderby idlala ngesonto. Interesting decision to move the derby to a Sunday.
It's angazi ukuthi nje angazi ukuthi Premier League manje, because most of the time ku Premier League or Manchester derby uzobathola Sunday late. I think even for Tina, my journalists makes things difficult for Tina, because we wanna cover Sundowns. So besisendleleni siyale should manje sekuyaphoqa ukuthi si travel early to Richards Bay so that we'll watch it on TV. But a bold decision, obviously. I think it was a forced decision, I think, because I heard ukuthi angazi ukuthi khona no even though ngingekho sure ukuthi it's a stadium or mhlambe, but something nje interrupted the whole process ukuthi game ibe ngomgqibelo. So it's an interesting decision.
It's funny that you should mention Premier League. Siyazi nakhona ukuthi umbango wesicoco nawo se-Premier League uyangalana Manchester City closing in on Arsenal, and namhlanje very big game. Obviously Siphuma from Manchester City winning against the Arsenal up at Etihad, 2-1 win over the weekend, which has put them just 3 points behind Gunners. But namhlanje Manchester City was ukushaya Burnley, they'll go top of the table, I think, for the first time kulo nyaka or this season, if I'm not mistaken. So now how important is then ukuthi City iwine against Burnley, like going forward with just imidlalo emncane kanje esele manje ukuthi iqedwe iPremier League?
I'm also within the group of people who are saying it's over for the Gunners, unfortunately. And it's hurting. It's hurting for Mikel Arteta. I mean, having tried so much kule season and with them having like because they've been bragging each and every after game abayidlala win yabo, they had let that thing yokuthi this season
say it's hard
nomi kanjani, and if you look at the game la baqhamuka kuyona vethu, even City scored second goal, they came back and tried lama set piece abo lawo Gabriel hitting the post. I think they hit the post twice manga poses, and they came close to securing a point. But with City knowing very well ukuthi ama games asele mancane, and this is the trophy abanayo manje after kuphuma ku Champions League, I'm sure they're still FA Cup. Maybe they have big chances of winning, but obviously it's a significant one, the Premier League, and they don't want to just lose it in Arsenal, especially being an opportunity. I think last season was Liverpool, Uguni League, yes, and then it's an opportunity again for Guardiola to bring that thing back Etihad.
I think he's looking at 7 Premier League wins in 10 seasons. A winner again this one. It's so heartbreaking for the Gunners. I mean, I wonder where they got it wrong, because this season they've been doing quite well. But just other games to look forward to this weekend in Yazupuma with press conference Amazulu namhlanje. Just which other games are you looking forward to on a weekend?
Amazulu and Chipa. We were speaking no coach Ata Uzwane. Obviously he's facing old friend wakhe uVivi Vusmus Vilakazi, who's really also doing, I think who's done tremendously well with Chipa, just to try and move the team away from a drop zone. I think bound number 13 manga posis or 12, so a hard team also to play against, but Amazulu want maximum points kakulu this time around, having also not won. I think previous 3 games they drew against Isikhukhune, through Swelele, and then against the Pirates, the rampant Pirates in Orlando. You knew Veluguti going there, it was not going to be easy. But that game also is really interesting to look at. But also, I spoke a little bit about Sundowns in Richards Bay. Everyone has been saying Richards Bay at home is not an easy team, obviously, to beat. I think they haven't lost at home except that game you beat. And also Abakalanga kakhulu, one of the goals was offside. But that's an interesting game, really, because it takes place after Soweto Derby, and the result as of Soweto Derby, if Pirates win, is obsitandazela ukuthi Richards Bay, can you do what you did to us to Mamelodi Sundowns? So another interesting one as well.
And just finally, taking your predictions, ngifuna isikonje kuphela sanamhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns against Stellenbosch FC. as well as obviously the derby ngesonto negame eManchester City neBurnley namhlanje.
Hathi ngiqale ngeCity nje before ngize kwi-local.
Before wele like
I'm seeing 4-0 or 5.
yo.
This is a big opportunity for City, so they will just, because you have seen Burnley I mean, like everybody's just walking in the back, even to Abasekaya. So I'm seeing like a big scoreline for City coming back locally. I think maybe derby. 1-1 draw.
1-1 draw.
1-1 draw is coming. 1-1 draw is coming.
Ukubona amagoli amaningi mina.
Chiefs is tired, vet. Is tired. Nakuyilokhuzana Nedbank Cup final last season. Wonke umuntu webheka iPirates.
Yeah.
They came back. They came and just surprised everyone. They scored first. They came back again. Scored a winning goal. So I'm seeing them stopping Pirates this time around. And then Sundowns, a 1-0 win away Elokhuzana Richards Bay. Because everyone is saying, it's I think Sundowns have that thing. Yoguti, even when they're away. Especially this time of the season when they see Guti season siyaphela. I think today they are looking for their 10th win in a row.
Yeah.
And akusona ipapa nenyama ukuwina imidlalo ewu10 PSL. So I'm seeing them not really dropping points in the upcoming 2 games. I don't know, maybe Glawala and the Lion Bagwalapa, but the upcoming 2 games, they know very well Guti. This is a big opportunity. Good Bashale at the summit of the table, Bazam, good Babalege Nagui Pirates. So I'm also seeing a 1-0 Peps win. Namhlanje ngizange 2-0 I think for Sundowns.
2-0 for Sundowns.
Yeah.
No, certainly looking forward to all the Betway Premiership eyenzakalayo this weekend njengoba sikhuluma namhlanje, as well as iPremier League. Kushubile ngempela manje. I think this right now ngalezi ikhathi is when you really now start to separate the men from the boys. We've been seeing ama game all season long, but it's time now to wrap up umweqele kahle isizini we wrap up kahle. Siyabona manje the resurgence of Mamelodi Sundowns as well egona imidlalo yeBetway Premiership. Sinethemba sabonga kakhulu fethu for always availing yourself and making time to chat to us like Gagasi FM.
Always good to be here. Danko
siyabonga kakhulu.